In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted passwords in Google Chrome. If you need to access passwords you previously saved in Chrome, I'll walk you through where to find the password tools and how to export that information safely to your device. Make sure you're using your own computer or a trusted device, since this process gives access to sensitive login data. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access your browser settings and other options. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where all of your browser preferences and account-related options are organized. If you've never explored this section before, don't worry, everything we need is easy to find. Inside Settings, go to the Autofill and Passwords section and click Password Manager. This is the area where Chrome stores and manages saved passwords, passkeys, and related sign-in settings. If your passwords were previously saved to Chrome and are still available through your Google account or browser data, this is where you'll manage them. Once you're in Password Manager, look to the left side and click Settings. This section includes additional password management options, including the ability to export your saved passwords. Exporting can be useful if you want to create a backup, review your saved login information, or transfer it securely to another password manager. Now, find the Export Passwords option and click it. Chrome may ask you to confirm your identity before continuing. This is a normal security step designed to protect your information. After that, click Download File. Your browser will then create a file containing your saved passwords. Be aware that this file is usually stored in a readable format, which means anyone with access to it may be able to view the contents. For that reason, only save it in a secure location and delete it when you're done if you no longer need it. That's the full process. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, enter Settings. Open Password Manager through Autofill and Passwords. Click Settings on the left, and then use Export Passwords to download your file. If you're doing this to recover important login details, take your time and handle the exported file carefully to keep your accounts protected.